Finally, I'm going to show you another way of searching, which is the SocialSourcer. This is when you're searching for candidates from social media sites. We have a range of social media sites that we work with and compile data from. So here you'll see you've got a list of criteria on the left-hand side which you can populate. I'm going to choose developer, and then you can have it an option or required request. Let's add some few more things here. We've got skills. Now you can choose from your skill sets at the top or just type in any skills in the field below. So I'm going to choose Oracle. Let's do Oracle and Java. And let's do another one actually. Let's do C++, for example. And again, we're going to choose optional this time just to show you how the range changes as you do a search. So hit the search button and instantly you'll see we've got 82,000 records found. Now that might be a little bit too much at this stage, so now we can add to this criteria. You can do county, locations, country, whatever, but what I'm firstly going to do is just change it to a required search to see what happens to those results. And as you can see, instantly it's gone down to 2020. So let's now add, let's say, a country. So we'll add the United Kingdom, and we can hit this search again. And now we are down to 1193. And we can further reduce this by adding a location either from our drop down or just typing it in. Hit the search button and you'll see we're down to 453. So the results are going down. Let's go one further. Let's even choose an industry, for example. Again, you can choose from your drop down or just literally type it in. So we'll choose, let's do computer software, for example, and it's a required skill. Hit the search button and again we're down even further, so down to 159 records. Let's add to the criteria. This is still too much for us, so let's add PHP to this, and again it's a required skill, so hit the search button again and you'll see we're now down to 60. So now we've got some results that we can work with. This is looking good, so we can scroll through and have a little peep at these records if we wish. You can drill into these records as well by literally clicking on them. If we're happy with what we see here, well, actually, we can show you some of the sources. You'll see on the right-hand side, we've got Meetup, and we've got GitHub there, LinkedIn, and this chap even has an email. So sometimes we get some information, as you can see here, where we also get someone's email. That's because we're merging certain data from different media sites together. All you do when you like these guys is click on the download tab and that becomes a downloadable record. But I'm going to further drill into this, so we're going to find someone with a minimum of 3 years experience rather than just what we originally had. So we're further down, we're now down to 54 records. Let's make that criteria even higher. So we're now hopefully going to whittle this down to a list that we really want to work with. Okay, so we're down to 45. And as you can see, we've got quite a few records here. We're like, all we need to do, or results that have been found, is click on the download option, check that the data is from the sources that we're happy with, and once we've got the ones that we like, we click on the button that says download checked, and these records will be passed directly into HRS.